Well, hello, lovely ladies. We got a spins for some goodies. I got all kinds of stuff in there. Nails and tape and the little garbage pants and some decals and one of the little kitty paws. All kinds of good stuff in our bag of goodies. All right, are you ready for this? Oh, let me turn it up really obnoxiously loud so you can hear it cheer. All right, good luck, everybody. Yeah, congratulations, Miss Dondria. I will hit you up on Facebook and get it sent out tomorrow. Thanks so much, ladies. Keep your eyes open. I plan to do more of those randomly in videos just to help keep things down a little bit so I don't end up with hundreds and millions of sets of partials. Have a good one. I'm planning to redo these tonight too, so see you soon. Bye.